Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance, and I wanted to go over the stock of the day, which I've picked Colgent Communications, CCOI is a ticker symbol on it. What I liked about Colgent was weekly, daily, and 4 hour and 1 hour chart was all had more buyers than sellers on it. So then I also noticed it was starting to break out um, on three tops, which is also a good sign. And also, I noticed that the telecommunications um, was a good sector as well. That's why I picked it out of that sector. Um, so these are all positive things. Like I want to throw it to you guys. I want you to like, share, and be part of our channel. Um, because I'm going to try to do more of this year, where I'm going to hunt through for you hundreds of thousands of stocks and bring up stocks of the day a little more often so that we can add to them. And what's nice about fractional shares in there, we can also, if you have a small account or a big account, it doesn't matter. You can buy a fraction of any share out there. So you can go in and, buy $50 if you got a small account, $50 of, say Collagen, or you have $50 of this stock and $50 of this stock and $50 of this stock, and you can build a ETF in so many words for yourself. And this is another diversification of what we want to do. We also wanted when we go in to buy stocks, what I'll show you on the charts in a minute. Um, we want to put in a buy stop limit order in there as well, because um, if it punches through our limit, will put us in the stock, and it'll also give us that stop underneath, so it protects our position as well. If the stock for some reason goes down on us and it's not going to increase and go where we're predicting it to go, um, then we aren't put into that trade, and we move on to a new stock the next day or that week or whatever. We're never in a hurry to find those stocks. Just take your time and wait for the stock to come to you. That's what I want to also teach in True Market Finance all the time, is to um, be patient, be very patient for that stock. And we can work at adding this stock portfolio, which we have our Bitcoin, we have our stocks, we have our mortgage, which we're trying to hopefully get paid down, and we'll also get it paid off, and all our debts are debt free. We want to create that own bank for our own selves, like guys, and I'm gonna help you all do that in this new year of 2024. So let's go over here to the stock. Um, Ecology and Communications, see what I'm saying here? A weekly, we have now broke out above the high of this three tops, so which makes me think it's going to go higher. We also have um, here where, let's jump up to this, where it's popping up. We're more buyers than sellers. That also is a good indication to me that the stock is going to take off. Like I said, it was in telecommunications, which the ETF on that as well was also positive. We have the same thing going on here with the daily chart, where we have more buyers than sellers. We are also above the 18. The stock is above the 18-day moving average, which is above the 50, which is above the 200, which is another positive situation. Now we'll go over here to the 4 hour, guys. This is what I'm liking too. And I'm sorry, my internet here, guys, is a little bit slow, but it is what it is. Um, in our 4 hour stock, same thing. We're getting a nice pullback here. This is something I like, and this is why I come down here to the 4 or 1 hours. In the end, once I see the stock is looking like it's going to be good in our big view, which is um, our weekly view. Once you start seeing it's good, and even if it comes up even to here, guys, it's great. We'll get some momentum there, and we'll move on to another stock if that case. But if it punches through that, it could be on our winner for a while. Um, so it's nice. Like we did here, we got to pull back to the 18. We had to pull back here a bit to the 18. back in here where it started, we had another pullback to the 18 and the 50-day, which started our whole plan, which we got here. So if you were in this, you could have got in here, could have got in here, could have got in here, and now here again. Because we are now on the more buyers and sellers again. Our Conklin oscillator is above 0, which is where we want it as well. And then we'll move to the 1 hour, which I'm looking at. See, we popped above the 18 here. Let's pull out here a bit. We're popping above the 18, which is above the 50, which is above the 200 day. And we're having, look at how everything's always above that 50 day, guys. So if you start bouncing below the 50, you want to like start watching stuff. As well, our ADX is getting a nice little pop here, and it's moved above. I kind of sometimes like to wait for it to come above this middle ground here, but still we're getting a good pop, which is a good indication to me. When the other 15 or week and all them were really good. And again, our oscillator is now coming above 0 as well, which is also a good indication on the whole thing. So that's why I picked this stock of the day, is because I feel like it is in a good direction all the way around. Um, so if we go into this stock, guys, actually we'll go back here to 1 hour. What we want to do, I'll try and pull this up here. We want to put a stop limit buy order in. I usually go a lot of times at the top of this little wick. Um, so we put a buy stop limit order here. So if it punches through here on tomorrow when the market's open, uh, then it'll continue and have us in there. Then what we can do is take and put our stop under here, this previous movement. So then if it punches through here, it'll take off. And if you want to be even more ultra conservative, you can pull this up into under here. Me, I like to be in a stock for a good long time, so I'll take that, be a little more conservative, and put it in here. Also, be watching it to see if the daily chart will um, come below that 18. Apparently, we got to move out here. Um, Below this 18. Something I have also done too, guys, is I've gone and take, especially because I use the Higanachi candlesticks because I like them because it takes all the noise out. Sometimes I will go just below, which I've done here, just below the second candlestick, um, with no candlesticks below here on wicks like this one and this one does. Like if I had this one and I was getting in here, I'd probably put my stop down here under the guy that has no wick on the bottom, just to be these are little dojis that can sometimes change direction, so I don't like them for the noise. I like to have that solid stick. And so now we, in the 1 day, we have a doji which is happened here, um, and that's why I'm predicting that we are going to have a move up on this stock. Don't hold me to that, guys, because stocks, like to do prove you wrong, and then so I will leave that to you. So that is our stock of the day. Um, always, share, like, and subscribe to the channel, guys, because then we'll get more of these daily charts. Um, this company Lend is a company I really enjoy. It helps me create that bank that I talk about a lot in my videos. It's a Bitcoin backed loans that you can get. They just hold your Bitcoin as collateral. ShapePay in Canada is great because you can put money in, take money out, and the only time it costs you money is if when you go buy some Bitcoin, they'll charge a small fee for that. And as you buy that, guys, get rid of it. Put it in a cold wallet. You know, your Keystone, your cold card. Get it off the internet, guys. Hold those keys to yourself. Not your keys, not your wallet, not your money, not your Bitcoin. So get it off there. And as I use the ShapePay Visa card, I'll get 1% back in sats for free. So free, I like as well, guys. CoinMile as well. I really like it because it takes your everyday items you spend, like groceries or whatever it may be, groceries or staples, supplies, or Airbnb or Uber Eats or whatever it may be. You can get a gift card a lot of times for those, or purchase online, which again gives you free sats. And it might not seem like much, guys, when Bitcoin is at the price it is now, but when it gets up to 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 500,000, $1 million coin, those little teeny sats that we're adding in here like a dividend, and they compound in themselves, they're going to become big dollars. That's why I always preach, guys, just on your everyday spending, you're spending it anyway, so might as well, get. So what I'll do with CoinMile, I walk into a grocery store, pull out my calculator, add up my groceries as I'm going through and picking up my groceries. Just before I go to the till, I'll pull up CoinMile app, which you can scan the QR code there, guys, and it will take you right there. Open the app. So you can open up the app, pull up the gift card section. My phone, I can go scroll through and find that gift card that of the grocery store that I'm in, and then I just purchase a gift card for whatever my groceries are. Walk up to the till, they scan the barcode. I'll usually do it in solid whole numbers kind of thing a lot of times, so that I'm not having Bitcoin left over on my gift card, because I'll go do it in the next one again the next time. And then I'll just pay with my ShapePay, which I get 1% back. I'll pay the rest of the 40 cents or 75 cents or whatever it may be on um, my groceries, with that. Then I'll get 1% back for that. The best thing in the world. Just keep collecting those sats. So this year, let's keep paying down our debt, and I believe you guys can all do it. So keep doing that. We'll keep diversifying our dollars. I'll keep trying to point out different stocks that are good, and with that, we can have a debt-free world for us. Then what we can do with the debt-free world that we've created for ourselves, we can go from there to um, what we can do is go from there to building that bank that I keep talking about, and Lend, Bitcoin backed loan, helps you with that. So we don't have to work eventually to um, borrow from the bank and so on and so forth. We can borrow from ourselves, because we keep all the interest and so on and so forth that we spend. Um, so that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to throw out to you today. I hope that helps you. And again, go and get that. Try the stock out for our stock of the day. And we'll talk later, guys. I hope that helps. And happy New Year, guys. Let's make some money, pay down debts, and become debt free this year. Have a good one, guys. See ya.